This is the best and most cost-effective mechanical keyboard. Let me introduce you to the AULA F75. It comes with some extra switches on the keyboard itself right out of the box, and a switch puller as well as a Type-C charging cable. The keyboard is 75% washer-mounted design, bring you a super cool gaming experience. In addition, it has 3 modes of connection. The keyboard uses PBT keycaps and a hot swappable design. Therefore, you can easily replace the switches. It also has a knob for quickly adjusting the volume and switching light effects. 2 different bracket adjustments are also included. It has a cool RGB backlight with 16 million colors. The typing sounds like this. That's why I think the AULA F75 is the best mechanical keyboard currently. If you like it, the link is at the bottom left of the video.